We have usually seen that people have some kind of ear problems, as like pain in the ears or some kind of water flow from ears or some kind of ear tension. So we should know what kind of a problem we have, because it is first very important to know the problem to solve the problem. So if you have a ear problem of any kind, make sure that you do not insert anything in your ear. It is wrong to use tools and insert them in your ear in any way. Only use cotton buds, which are especially for the ears. Do not insert anything just like that, because it will create more problem for your ears. The best way to avoid these problems is put cotton balls dipped in mustard oil in your ears during bathing. After bathing, you can remove the cotton and then throw it away. So you do not need to use these cotton balls 24 hours a day. Use it only during bath time. Other than this, avoid using hard things which need to be chewed a lot during winter, because when you chew hard things, it directly affects your tympanic membrane and the chances of ear problem increases to a great extent. Other than this, it is also very important that you use different type of ear drops regularly. You can ask your doctor for your suggestion as to which type of ear drops you should use, and buy those ear drops and then use them in your ears. Another very important point that you should remember is that clean your ears regularly, and that means almost twice or thrice a week. And ears is a very sensitive area, so you should always remember that do not insert anything hard or something that will harm your ears in any way, because it may damage the membrane, which is very thin and it is present in the ears. So always ask your doctors before inserting anything in your ear, because this point is very, very important. Other than this, always remember that you can use cotton buds or mustard oil, cotton swads, and soft things which you can use in your ears to clean them. Also, very important point that most doctors always suggest or say is that be careful that you're not around loud music too much. As you know, too much of loud music, loud sound also harms your ears to a great extent. You may not notice, but loud sound can create a huge problem for your ears and can damage the membrane in your ears. So always make sure that you're not around too much of loud music, or you're not exposed to loud sound on a daily basis. I mean, of course, partying sometimes, going out sometimes, and listening to loud music sometimes is okay, but make sure that you do not do it on a daily basis, Remember that the headphones that you use should be clean and hygienic. Ear is a very important part of the human body. It plays a very important role, so make sure that your ears always function well.